This is a video by Rich Pin. Today we're going to show you how you can use a computer connection as a replacement connector for your coolant temp sensor. Now inside the computer case you'll see this connection on the motherboard. Now what these are the connections to the LED lights on the front of the computer. Now if you pull one of these connections off, in this case you can see it says hard drive LED, and the connection has a connection for 2 pins that look very similar to the connections on the coolant temp sensor. Here's the coolant temp sensor, and it has 2 pins in there, and they look identical to the motherboard. Now if I can get my hands out of the way here. Here's the coolant temp sensor, and here's the connector. I can't see what I'm doing here. Okay, let's get this. There it goes. Look at that. The connector fits right in to the coolant temp sensor. And that is one alternate solution for a replacement coolant temp sensor connector.